Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today we will talk about the Safuux blockchain and the upcoming sacrifice event. First of all, let's start off. Let me show you guys, I guess most of you already know Safuux. If not, check out the other videos on my channel. But you know, the Safuux blockchain will start in a couple of months, but I want to show you right now why it makes sense to buy Safuux, the Safuux token already now. So let me just show you, because I made a short calculation. Let's say, for example, the Safuux price right now is at $5, okay? And the daily interest rate, if you buy the tokens, you know, you simply buy them, hold them in your wallet, and you get paid daily rewards. So the daily interest rate is 2.28%, okay? So let's say, for example, today you invest $5,000. That means you would get 1,000 tokens, okay? So in 24 hours, you would get 22.8 more Safuux, okay? With the current value of $5, let's say it would be $114 daily reward. So at the end of the day, you would have 1,022.8 Safuux tokens, okay? And it goes on like this. And I've made this calculation just for 3 weeks, okay? And if you start with 1,000, okay, after 3 weeks, you will already have 1,569 tokens, okay? So the daily reward, you see, because of compounding, it gets more and more and more and more. And you know, after 3 weeks, your daily reward, I mean, of course, the price should be the same, but the amount will anyway be the same, okay, that you have. So as you can see, your daily reward, I mean, your total reward in dollars would be $3,027, yeah? And your amount, the important thing, I mean, I would even say the more important thing is your amount of the Safuux tokens is 1,605. So you would have 605 more tokens. So why this makes sense, I will explain to you when we get to the sacrifice event, okay? So guys, the world's first auto rebasing layer 1 blockchain, yeah? It's not some other solution, it's really a layer 1 blockchain, okay? So you will get a fixed APY of 191,888% for the first 8 months, okay? There will be auto rebasing. That means you simply buy the tokens, hold them, and interest rebase rewards are paid to you every 15 minutes, yeah? You earn interest without the need to lock up your tokens, so you can sell them anytime, okay? Yeah, let's go. After the first 240 days, there will be a fixed flex APY. Let's see how this will be. And there will be 500 full nodes and 1,500 light nodes, guys, okay? There will also be a Safuux DEX, a Safuux bridge, Safuux DeFi, Safuux scanner, and key wallet integration. But I will explain all of this to you in a couple of minutes. There will be a 5% Safuux Bybit, 1% insurance fund, 2% treasury, 2% flexible rebase component, okay? So here you can see the timeline. The nodes will be available soon, and the sacrifice event will be from October 20th to November 20th, okay? And I will show you how this will work. That's why it's important that you consider maybe buying already now, okay? So the Safuux chain, let me show you guys. Sustainable asset fund for universal users, Safuux chain is an independent blockchain which uses proof of stake authority, consensus on a system of validators. And what's really interesting, guys, technically Safuux chain is a standalone, okay, really standalone blockchain, which unlike other layer 2 solutions, Safuux does not interact directly with Ethereum base chain because they are a standalone blockchain. This is really interesting, yeah? The first and most widely used smart contract platform is Ethereum, okay? So in order to take advantage of major applications and a larger community, Safuux chose to be compatible with Ethereum mainnet. This is really good, yeah? This means most applications and tools that work with Ethereum will also work with Safuux chain. That's really good, guys. Yeah, what's also interested, yeah, supported wallets, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, Token Pocket. Of course, guys, if you want to read all the details or have a look at the slide paper in more detail, I will of course put the links in the description. Yeah. There will also be SAFUU Scan Block Explorer. SAFUU Scan is a block explorer built for SAFUU Exchange, similar to Ethereum or BSC Scan. The block explorer allows users to search through transactions, blocks, wallets, addresses, smart contracts, and other on-chain data. I guess most of you guys know BSC Scan, for example. That means if you make a transaction, you can look for it, how long it took, and all the fees and all of this stuff. And yes, that's what this will be, the block explorer, of course. Then DEX, SAFUU DEX is an automated market maker, yeah, and native decentralized exchange of SAFUU Exchange, for instance, swap of SAFUU 20 tokens. Our SAFUU DEX smart contracts or pairs manages a liquidity pool which has reserve of 2 SAFUU 20 tokens, similar to popular exchanges like Uniswap or SushiSwap. Okay, swapping. Token swapping in SAFUU DEX lets users instantly trade on one SAFUU 20 token for another without the need of central exchange. This is also cool, guys, cool feature that you can do it all on their own blockchain. Yeah. 0.14% will be returned to the liquidity pools and 0.05% will be sent to the treasury. Yeah. The bridge, SAFUU bridge, is used for cross-chain transfer of assets between SAFUU Exchange and Binance Smart Chain. This is also a very important and good feature. Then the swap service, the service keeps watching the swap request events on both chains and sends transactions to swap proxy contracts on both chains. The server monitors events to issue mirrored assets tokens on the SAFUU Exchange. Okay, guys. What's also interesting, there will be 500 full nodes. The price will be $11,900, and light nodes, there will be 1,500 light nodes. The price of one will be $360. Now, guys, let me show you the really interesting thing about the sacrifice event. Okay. So, in the lead up to the official SAFUU Exchange mainnet launch, there will be a sacrifice event where existing SAFUU token holders and holders of Bitcoin and so on will be able to sacrifice their current tokens, their current coins for SAFUU X. Okay, so the interesting thing now, okay, all SAFUU being sacrificed at the upcoming SAFUU X sacrifice event will be given a higher multiplier than all other available coins. Okay, let me show you guys. The sacrifice events will be broken down in stages where the earliest sacrifices on day one will be eligible for up to a 50% multiplier, with the multiplier decreasing over time in the subsequent days, reducing the amount of SAFUU X you will receive. What does this mean, guys? What does this mean? As you can see in my calculation, let's say you would have 1,600, SAFUU, because you were holding them for 3 weeks, and we started with 1,000. Okay, so day one, 50% multiplied. This means if you start off with 1,000, you will get 1,500. On all sacrifices. Sacrifices made in SAFUU will get an additional 15% multiplier, totaling 65%. Okay, you will also not need to pay the sell tax, saving an additional 16%. Total savings as a SAFUU holder, 81%. So this is why it makes a lot of sense. I mean, as always, guys, no financial advice. I'm just here to show those projects and give you an idea how you could invest your money, but of course, always do your own research before you invest your own money. So, but this means, so if you start off right now, you buy a SAFUU token, and of course, because you get all the rewards daily, you will have until this event a lot more SAFUU tokens. Okay, so this means, and then if you sacrifice, you will get, if you do this on the first day, you will get 81% more. Let's say you have 1,000, you will have 810 more. So this is really crazy and really interesting. Yes, guys. So that's a short explanation, introduction to the SAFUU X blockchain, and an explanation of the sacrifice event. So, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.